This is a short screencast to show you how to navigate this course. This is what you'll see when you open up your course. It defaults to the module page. You should start with the orientation module. And right now you're under this button watching this screencast. When you click here, what this is going to do is a one-time connection that links you with WebAssign, our homework and platform in your ebook. So you'll create a login right here, and this will allow you to do your homework and see the ebook. If I click it, it won't show you exactly what you're supposed to see. But there's a 14-day grace period, so if you have not purchased your code yet, that's okay. You have 2 weeks to do that. But after that point, you'll be withdrawn if you don't go ahead and buy it. So you've got 2 weeks to go ahead and take care of that. This is a quiz, one of 2 quizzes that are due this week. And you'll see that in the schedule when I show you that. But this is just to help you get familiar with WebAssign. It's just making sure that you understand how it works so that you have an easier time when you do your homework. This is a copy of the syllabus and the schedule that I've already emailed you. If you want to see the syllabus, you can also click here to see the syllabus. If you want to look up how much things are weighted in this course or any of the information, my contact information or tutoring services, general information in the syllabus. There, you're going to want to look at the syllabus when you take the second quiz that's due this week, which is the syllabus quiz. Right here is the schedule that's at the end of the syllabus, but this is just if you want to just look at the schedule by itself. If you open that, this is what you'll see. You can, this is what you need to be checking things off of. If there's a change to this schedule, I will let you know. There has been a slight change, so I will be sending a little email out letting you know that what I emailed you initially has been altered because I'm still tweaking things. But right here, this is what you'll see on the schedule. What module you can find things in and what assignment is due and when it is due. So there is a quiz that I just talked about, the WebAssign quiz. It's in the orientation module. It's due Sunday, the 17th. Then the meeting we have coming up this week, either you need to attend one of the meetings on Tuesday or Wednesday, or you can do the alternative assignment, which is due the 17th. There are video worksheets. The video worksheets, and I'm going to show you one in a minute, is basically going to class. It's watching one of my videos, and there's a worksheet that I provide with each video that you fill out as you watch the video. It's like going to class, and then you take a picture of that and submit it to me as proof that you went to class. So right here, this upload 3 pages is not a video worksheet. That's just making sure you have the skill of being able to take a picture of 3 different files, 3 different pages, and submit them as a single PDF. That is a skill that you need to have, and there's information on how to do that in the orientation module. Then you have your syllabus quiz that is due by Sunday. Then the homework that is due this week is right here. This is the homework. So each week, this is what's due. This is when it's due. All right, so that's what's in there. Let me go back to the modules. This is the Zoom link for the session. This link is going to be the same throughout the entirety of the course. This is some extra notes that are just some free notes online that are good to look at if you want extra sources of information. These are the directions on how to submit a paper assignment. Take a picture of it and convert it to a PDF. This was put together by a colleague of mine, Joel Berman. There are other ways to use it. I typically use CamScan. You can use TopScan, BotScan. Adobe has an app. There's all kinds of phone apps, but this is an example of how to do that. And then this is Valencia's free resources for tutoring that are available. And there's some links you can click in there to get to that, to access that. Okay, now let us look at what a typical week one's not completely typical, but what a week is set up. This is week 1 module. This is the mandatory meeting that we have. These are video worksheets. So I'm going to open up one of these. You have a review of algebra, a review of trig. When you open this up, it's going to say click here to access the worksheet. So you can click here and it'll be the worksheet. You do not have to print this if you don't have a printer. You do need to write down the work that you did. You can either print it and fill it out, or just write down the work and take a picture of that and send it to me. But when you click there, it's going to show you the worksheet that I have created for you to do. This is what this one looks like. For each video that we do, for each video that I make, there's a worksheet to go with it. Let me see. So let me go back down here and back to here. And then, of course, you can see that this is me, and I've made videos for you to watch throughout the class, and then you'll submit it. Okay, so then this is the one for Trig. There's different videos on that. Your homework is, this is a video worksheet, video worksheet, video worksheet, video worksheet. This is just you taking a picture of 3 pages of anything, 3 pages of the syllabus, 3 pages of your homework, 3 pages of a book that you've seen, anything. Take 3 pictures, submit it as a PDF. This is your syllabus quiz, and this is your homework. So when you click this, it will link you. Your screen will look slightly different from mine, but it will link you to, you'll click this button to the WebAssign homework, and yours will not, mine looks not that great, but when you open yours, it will take you directly to the homework problems. Mine looks like this, but yours will go ahead and it will open it up in the right place, and you'll see your homework assignments that you can start doing. So I'm hoping, yeah, it'll look typically like this. So let me just talk about this for a second. This is where you'll do your homework. This is not the right assignment, but let's just say this was the assignment. This is what it looks like. I have this set to, I think I put like you get 1,000 chances to do this. And that's because every time you check your answers, anything you have not filled in, it'll count it wrong. So like once you fill this in, like if you fill this in and you want to check it and make sure you're on the right track, go to the bottom and put submit for testing, and then it will grade it, and you can see which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. So I've defaulted that to like 1,000 times you can check your work. You do want to do the little quiz. It's for points, but also it tells you how to get familiar with the syntax of this program and how it works, so that you're not frustrated when you do your homework. So it goes straight to the Canvas. It goes straight to Canvas gradebook. So all of your grades are going to be kept right here. You can view your grades all the time. If something looks amiss, just send me an email and tell me what you think is not correct. And but your homework, your video pages, your quizzes, your tests, everything's kept in here, so you can be checking that all the time. All right, I think that is basically what I wanted to show you this is how you go to courses. This is how you get to our class. Go to courses in the Atlas, and then this is our class, or one of the calculus classes, and you'll go in there, and then you can see all of this. Let's see, I'm trying to think if there's one other thing. You scroll down here, here's week 2. I'm going to post the Zoom recordings that are made. If you can attend the sessions, that's worth bonus points. If you cannot, you should still watch them, because the test and the quizzes are handwritten by me. And so you want to make sure that you know how to do everything by hand and not just click through some buttons on the homework, because that's how your quizzes and tests will be conducted. Each week you will have either a quiz or a test and homework and video pages due. So you can look at the schedule and see where everything's laid out. I hope this has been helpful, and this is how to navigate this course.